Think of the night sky. All those twinkling stars, blue, white, orange, red, are just the tip of the iceberg. What you see with your eyes is actually a cosmic illusion. The real Milky Way is built from a hidden majority, tiny, faint red dwarfs, the M-type stars. They make up nearly 3/4 of all stars in our galaxy, but you'll never spot one without a telescope. Astronomers sort stars by temperature and color, using the OBF GKM system. Thank Annie Jump Cannon for that. OBAF, GKMO and B stars are blue and blazing hot, but rare. AFG types like our Sun are yellowish and more common. KM stars are orange to red, cooler, and last the longest. Here's the twist. The stars that dominate our view, Rigel Vega Betelgeuse, are actually the outliers. They're giants or supergiants, burning bright and dying young. The universe's real workhorses, those red dwarfs, live for trillions of years and quietly fill the galaxy. A star's fate is all about mass. Big stars race through life, ending as supernovae black holes. Sun-like stars swell into red giants, then shrink to white dwarfs. Most stars, though, just keep on glowing as humble red dwarfs, barely changing for eons. And get this, most stars aren't even alone. Binary and multiple star systems are the norm. Sirius, a brilliant A-type star paired with a faint white dwarf. Alpha Centauri, our closest neighbor, actually a trio. By mapping stars and their chemistry, astronomers piece together the Milky Way's history. Population 2 in the halo. Population 1 in the disk. The galaxy is still merging, still growing, its story written in starlight. So next time you look up, remember, you're seeing the exceptions, not the rule. The true Milky Way is an ocean of invisible red dwarfs, quietly shaping the fate of planets, life, and galaxies. That's the real story of the stars.